following video is a Summit 16x60B. This unit is new 2009. We're going to run a brief video demonstration. First thing we'll do, this unit has a four-way rapid, and this also engages your feeding as well. Your rapids. Now this is your cross. Now we're going to start the spindle. The main motor is on. Spindle is running. Now you can engage the feeds with the joystick as well. Now it is feeding towards the chuck. You can also use the rapid to position it in a faster. Let it go and it will feed, continuous feeding. Neutral. Feed it back. Now here's your cross feed. It's now feeding cross. Neutral. Feeding out from the center line. Now this engages your half nut. Right here. This engages your half nut for your threading. For your threading. You can use the rapid to reposition the carriage. Engage the threading again. Neutral. Reverse.
Just a little heads up before something bad happens. So you can have more control. Well, life doesn't always give you time to change the outcome. But pre-diabetes does. Early diagnosis and a few healthy changes like managing your weight, getting active, stopping smoking, and eating healthier, you can stop pre-diabetes.
Slower speed. 160 RPM.
Don't wait. You have the power to change the outcome. Visit doihavepre-diabetes.org today. That's doihavepre-diabetes.org.
This is high speed, 800 RPM. 800 RPM. Go to 40 RPM. This is low range. This is back to mid-range. This is 250 RPM. Again, your feeding and your rapids. Feeding again, rapids. Cross feed, rapid. Cross feed out, rapid. And again, your threading. neutral. You can shut it off here or the headstock. Again, the following video is a Summit 16 by 60B lathe, new 2009.